Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SDC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day in this one. I mean, when you think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down at that area, and then by the time the closing bell rang, price was able to fight its way back up to that area. So, I mean, still a lot of work needs to be done, clearly. But, I mean, like I said, from where it was to where it ultimately closed, nice solid movement. But that does bring about the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? You know, is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and I want to offer up a little bit more context here. But this important area of support is coming from this area right here at $6.50. I mean, you go back through the history of the chart, and you can see $6.50, support, 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 somewhat close right there. And then today, right there, acted as support. So the main goal here is, well, you know what? If this is the start of a bounce, it needs to show signs of progress, and that quote-unquote progress point being defined as 650. So I'm going to zoom back in. So what do I mean by that? Well, and I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down here to 650 and then just continue on down, what's that doing? Well, that would be putting the price down below that green line, which you just saw is a very, very historic, very, very important level. And again, price movements that go down below important areas, you know, back to where they were, not exactly really that's a sign of power or anything like that. Now, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. And at least at that point in time, you'd have a set of lows there, and you'd have that low down here, and you have some stair-steps showing signs of progress in the upwards direction. So to me, that's why 650 very important going forward. As far as levels of resistance, keep a close eye on that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average, which is currently valued at 819. But in my opinion, at least, top priority right now is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's all about trying to go through a healthy consolidation and stay above that 650 mark. So let's see if the price can get that job done or not moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.